very warm good morning to respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Gulneel Kaur from class 9C. Today I am going to conduct a beautiful morning assembly with my talented team members. So please join your hands and close your eyes for prayer. Thank you for this beautiful prayer. Now Paris of class 9C is presenting a thought.
Today thought of the day. Great things never come from the comfort zone. Thanks and have a nice day.
Thank you Paris for this gorgeous thought. Now please welcome Harsh for news headlines.
All of you, myself Archana, I am from 9th standard. Today some news headlines are number COVID-19, Kerala only state where positive rate is still on the rise. Number 2, PM Modi to flag of 100th Kisan Rail today at anti-farm law protest entered day 33. Number 3, live score second test Australia 65 out to at T on day 3 trial by 66 runs. Number 4, Delhi COVID cases falls to 25% of tally seen during September peak. Number 5, government to launch new quarterly jobs survey from March 2021. Thanks and have a nice day.
Thank you, Harsh. There is a great deal of advertising that is much better than the product. So let's welcome Ashish to give a speech on advertisement.
Myself Ashish, I am from 9th standard. Today I am going to deliver a speech to you on advertisement. Advertisement are the messages that sent to the public with the intention of influence them positively regarding their appeal, product of service. In short, advertisement are messages sent from the service provider to potential service receiver. It means a communication with the consumer. Advertisement can be the present times any form, and it can be in the form of television, commercial accounts, radio, poster, and print media, etc. Thanks, Ajay.
Thank you, Ashish, for this wonderful speech. So now let's move on and call Lavanya, who is going to tell the meaning of lines of Gita Shlok.
सुप्रभात। आज का श्लोक जातस्य हि ध्रुवं मृत्युर्ध्रुवं जन्म मृत्युस्य च तस्मात् अपरिहार्यत्रे न तवं शोचितुम् अर्हसि। अर्थात इस संसार में जो भी जन्म लेता है वह अवश्य मरेगा। यह नियम अटल और शाश्वत है, इसलिए हे अर्जुन तू किसी भी प्रकार का शोक मत कर। धन्यवाद।
So now I would like to call Principal Sir for addressing us with few words.
Dear student, I am going to share one very important information with respect to the examination with you. That from class nursery up to 8th, 9th and 11th standard examinations are going to be start right from March 1st. Class 10th and 12th examinations are going to be start from 4th of May. Dear student, during the course of the whole session, which has been started right from April 1st, JPS Academy teachers have tried their level best to cope up with all the things, including academics. They have involved yourself in each and every manner. PDF of the homework has been called through the digital form. All the weekly tests held successfully, and so the first terminal examinations. And the same process is going on. If you have any problem with respect to any topic in any subject, the better you please contact your concerning subject teachers and class teachers so that the problem can be resolved. We appeal to the parents that if you find any problem with respect to the academics and overall behavior of the student, you please visit office with your ward with the student so that proper counseling can be given to the student so that he or she can involve himself or herself in the last 1 or 2 months which are left for the final examinations. So we hope that everything is going to be beautiful at the end of the day, because the whole session was full of uncertainties, and we hope that the next session is going to be start with full confidence and with all the flavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to end our morning assembly. Thanks and have a nice day.